What if your candle warmer looked more like an art piece than an actual appliance? Well, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and I'm so in love with this dimmable flower candle warmer lamp from SupBri. The first thing I noticed is just how beautifully designed it is. The pink glass shade is shaped like a flower, which gives it such a soft, elegant, and feminine look. It warms candles from the top using a halogen bulb, giving you a clean, even scent. It's so nice because there's no smoke and no flame. Another awesome thing is that it's fully dimmable, so you can control the strength of the fragrance to match your mood, and the warm glow instantly makes any bedroom that I walk into feel cozy and inviting. There's also a built-in timer with 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8-hour settings, making it perfect for relaxing in the evening or before bed without worrying about turning it off. The setup is quick and easy. All I had to do is just insert the bulb, place my favorite candle underneath, plug it in, and I was ready to go. Plus, because it melts the wax evenly, I noticed that my candles last longer too. It's great for bedrooms, living rooms, and honestly, for anyone who's like me and loves candles but wants a safer and long-lasting option. And that's my point of view.